Look at my baby.
Would have meant everything.
She keeps staring at me.
My baby, she want to go to sleep now. That's my baby there. Cecil. That's my baby there. She want to go to sleep now. They want to go to sleep. Hi, are you tired, Cecil? You tired? Are you tired now? She's tired. My Cecil is tired. Inaantok na rin siya. Naantok na rin ang Cecil ko. Cecil ko ay inaantok na. Are you tired now, Cecil? Pati rin ako ay inaantok na. Tired. It's almost... What time is it here now, hon? It's almost
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock now.